This is the problem. Essentially, in a ship unloading operation, we're unloading a 3,500-pound automobile by a cable, and a worker ties a rope to the cable at A and pulls it in order to center the automobile where he wants it to land. At the moment pictured in the picture, the automobile is not moving, the ring is not moving, and neither is B. And the angles between the vertical and horizontal are given there as 2 degrees and 30 degrees. We'll start using Matlab, but first we'll use the law of sines. You may remember the law of sines as this form: A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C. When you use the law of sines, basically you need to know a side angle pair. And if we look at our triangle here, we can see that we know W is 3,500 pounds, so we know one side of the triangle. And we have our 58 degrees. And we got that because we know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, so we subtract the other angles and got the 58 degrees. So we know 58, and we know the 3,500 pounds. So I like to rewrite it now as we've got our pair that we know. We know the pair side and we know the pair angle. And we want an unknown side and sine of the angle opposite the unknown side. We can rearrange this by multiplying both sides by sine of the opposite angle. And we get our unknown side equals our pair side times sine of the opposite angle divided by sine of the pair angle. So we'll stick this information, final information, over here, and it's time to bring up Matlab. So the first thing I want to do is define W. Let's look up here. W equals 3,500. I might add a comment there that it's in pounds. Might even add a description, weight of auto in pounds. Now we just want to use our formula here. Let's go for TAB, and that equals the side we know, which is W, times sine D. Sine D is the Matlab command for sine in degrees. And AB, let's see, we want the opposite angle, and the opposite angle to TAB is 120 degrees. And we divide again by sine D of the angle we know, which was 58 degrees. And just hitting enter, notice I didn't put a semicolon at the end, so it'll give me my answer for TAB. And I can do very similar with TAC, equals, again, the pair side times sine. Now here the opposite angle is 2 degrees. Sine D, 2 degrees, divided by sine D of 58 degrees. And again, just hitting enter, and we've got our answer for TAC. Note that anytime you did a variable or did an operation here, it assigned what was on the right side to the variable named on the left side. And those values show up over here in the workspace.